Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving you have authorization and opening the router interface. This is critical for legality and avoiding bricking. Once logged in, locate the LAN/wireless section and check the current security mode so you know what to change. Make a backup of the configuration now and write down the SSID and passphrase. That backup lets you restore if anything breaks. If you can't log in, stop and recover the admin password through your ISB or physical reset before proceeding. You now change the security setting. Go to Wireless Security and choose None or Open to remove WPA/WPA2. Do this only if you accept all devices connecting without a key. It's why you backed up settings. Make sure to save and apply changes, then reboot the router if prompted so settings take effect. If you need a public network, consider a guest SSID or captive portal rather than disabling encryption on your main network, because open networks expose devices to interception. Once done, you should verify connections by joining the SSID from multiple devices and confirming internet access. This proves the change propagated. If devices cannot connect, double-check you didn't accidentally disable the SSID or misconfigure DHCP. If needed, restore your backup to revert. Make sure firmware is current because bugs can hide under strange behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if settings appear corrupted, perform a factory reset. Reapply a saved good config, and then adjust security with caution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.